Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the backup and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it to read more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of Google account to backups, apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will back up the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And another backup storage, another backup section actually. Here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, so to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges because of, for example, accessing your limit of mobile data. And here, all we have to do is to tap on Backup Now, and your device will back up the data. Of course, you will have to confirm everything with your screen lock, and we've got this information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.